Welcome to 120 High Street, Brassall. Let's take a look around. Beautiful family home, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Plenty of room for everyone. Automatic doors there in the garage. This is the passageway. Plenty of entertaining space. Little kids retreat off the back here. Let's go inside. Front entry, got formal lounge through here with access out to the entertaining space. We've got dining, good sized kitchen, plenty of bench space, plenty of cupboard space, good size for the space for the fridge. Another space here, more dining. This would be formal dining. Massive lounge room, massive lounge room. Plenty of opportunities here to put a lick of paint on and some new carpets and freshen it up. Bedroom with built-ins. Main bathroom, quite a good size as well. That's the toilet in there. Laundry, access to outside. Keep on going down the hall. Another bedroom with built-ins. And we're going to make it into the main now. Okay, which is also a good size. Has a robe and walk-in ensuite with some more storage there. Alrighty, so this is 120 High Street, Brassall. Hit us up on the numbers below to have a private inspection. More than happy to get you through whatever time suits. Thank you.